세상이 어제와 달라 그냥 너의 기쁨으로 네가 날 불렀을 때 나는 너의 꽃으로.
So let's go ahead and get right into the video. If you watched my last video, you will see that I made my aloe vera hair elixir that I made for specifically hair growth, or really, if we're going to be honest, the only way that you can actually get hair growth is if you retain your length. And I want to make sure that I specify that moisturizing your hair is a necessity if you're trying to retain length. So this is going to be my daily leave-in. I show you guys how I make it in my last video, and I actually added a dash of peppermint oil. I think I showed you that in my last video as well. So make sure you click the eye right here. It'll show you how I make this, and in this video you will see that I'll be moisturizing my hair. I'm due for a trim, so don't mind my ends. Oh my god, don't look at my ends. But yeah, so yeah, you'll see how I moisturize my hair using my new aloe vera hair elixir. So I just parted my hair into 6 sections, and I'm gonna go ahead and start over here. I did 6 sections just because I wanted to make sure that it thoroughly gets detangled. I am going to be going to sleep after this and getting ready for my cousin's party tomorrow. So I want to have these big voluminous curls, twist out curls. Okay, so it's coming out like a stream. I don't know if y'all see that, but I kind of like that. Oh wow. This is not how I thought it was gonna be at all. And I told you guys I put a dash of peppermint in it, and it feels very soothing on the scalp. I think this is gonna be my new thing. I just feel it. So aloe makes your hair shiny and brings a lot of moisture to the hair. It has enzymes. I basically list out the benefits in my last video, so if you're interested in knowing about all those benefits, please go to my last video, because I think I did a good job of covering everything good about aloe. But yeah, so I feel like you can use this as like an actual gel to lay down your hair. So I'm gonna just spray the ends a little bit more. I might just end up trimming my own hair because I can't take the scraggly looking ends. I cannot take this. So yeah, I don't know if I'll do that on a video though. Like, it has a lot of slip, but I feel like after you rub it into your hair, it kind of loses that like glide factor. I'm gonna go get my water bottle just to spray this down. Water bottle is here. Now I could have added water to the mixture, and I might do that next time to make like aloe water, but I kind of wanted like a jelly. But I think if I would have put water in it, it would have done a better job of spraying my hair instead of a like a jelly type thing. So, and I didn't expect the jelly to come out like that. there's the difference in moisturization. One is sticking up and the other is kind of laying down. So do I want to Bantu knot the ends? I think I'm going to just throw it back. I used to always Bantu knot my ends, so let's go ahead and just do that. So there's my Bantu knot, and I'm gonna go ahead and go through the rest. Just fast forward this process and I will see you at the end of it. So my final thoughts on the aloe vera hair elixir is that it really detangled my hair strands, and it made it super easy to just detangle. My detangling time actually got cut in half. And with the healing properties of aloe vera, I feel like I'm doing my hair a huge service. The only con I have about this process is that one aloe vera leaf makes 5 ounces, which you basically saw in the spray bottle, and that lasted me a week, which is amazing. And an aloe vera leaf is only $1, and if you grow your own, that's even better. But if you do not want to do that process, I would try and find organic aloe vera gel in your local store. But other than that, I really enjoyed this, and it just made everything so simple, and I felt like I was really being good to my hair. But that's it, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.